Hey, this is Sarah Turner with a tutorial on how I make my gnome beards. Here's one completed really quick for you to see. And I have another tutorial on how to make the full gnome on my YouTube channel. This one is specifically to show you how to make the beard. So first things first, you need your gnome body. And you can look at the other video that I have to follow how to get to this point. Once you have your gnome body ready, then you're going to take your beard material, faux fur, that I get from Hobby Lobby, and you're going to take your ruler or measuring device and measure out 4 inches by 3 inches. So you'll take a marking tool just to help you know where you're at and mark out 4 inches approximately. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't even have to be even. And then 3 inches down. And I'll make it a little more even for the sake. I'll make it a little more even for the sake of the tutorial. All right, once you have it marked, you're gonna take your X-Acto knife, and it's important that you use the X-Acto knife rather than a pair of scissors, because the X-Acto knife allows you to be able to cut through this material without cutting off the fur in the front, so to give you a more fluffy beard effect that you're looking for. And once you get started, it goes pretty well. And you want to apply a good amount of pressure, but not so much pressure that you're cutting through to the fur on the other side or the table. So there's the bottom. And then here, we'll cut the top. And just discard those excess pieces unless you have a large enough scrap to save for later. Then you need to pull off this extra bit of fur. I kind of shake it out a little bit, and you have this square. So you're going to take your gnome body at that point, measure just to make sure you like the way that it looks. And now I'm going to turn it over and cut a triangle or a V, an upside down triangle right here to go around the nose. And I just kind of eyeball this. You can measure if you'd like for the straight line. And you're just trying to ensure that it's going to go around the nose. This is what's going to help you, by cutting this triangle, this is what's going to help you give the effect of a really fluffy beard. Almost. There we go. And again, you're gonna wanna remove that extra fur. I shake it out. So there you have it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It does not have to be perfect. And then measure again, and if you like the way that it fits around the nose, you're ready to glue. All right, so the next step is going to be to apply a strip of glue underneath the nose, and then lay your faux fur on that glue strip, and I just press down and kind of like push around the nose so that the fur kind of goes tucked underneath that nose piece. Once I have that piece on, then I'm going to put a dot of glue on this side and a dot of glue on this side, or I'm going to do a strip. It's really just kind of an in the moment thing, so I think we're going to go with a strip. Okay, and then I kind of pull tight, not too crazy hard, but enough to where you create this, it makes it look like a mouth without having an actual mouth cut there. And then after that's done, I apply another dot of glue here and here, and that just kind of holds it in place once you put the hat on and keeps it down. And the hot glue that I'm using is the hot glue gun is a low temp hot glue gun, because it allows me to touch the glue without it burning the fire out of my fingers. So just a little tip there if you want to be able to mess with that. And then fluff your beard up, and he's ready for his hat and decorations.